Hi, welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to talk a little about all my pocket shawls and regular shawls. I also brought 3 sweaters I wanted to show you. So the first sweater is this one I made from scrap yarn because I had a lot of different weird colors yarn and I wanted to make a quick sweater for my sister. So I made this triple crochet sweater in scrap yarn, and I actually think it turned out so cute. She looks great in it and she absolutely adores this sweater. It has big sleeves, very big, and then the body is quite short, but I got to use up a lot of my scraps, so I am happy. Then I have made this one. This is my most recent sweater. I made this for my daughter and she can fit it in 2 years, I think. I made it a little bit big. I used yarn from We Are Knitters called the wool. The color of the yarn is called Yarnicorn. It's so cute and I really like this sweater. It's actually just single crochet all the way, so it's a very easy pattern to follow. The final sweater is this one. I made this last summer, I think. It's a cotton yarn sweater, and then I added this sparkly brim down with the hands and on the bottom down here. This is the granny stripe stitch, worked in a yarn from Hobie, but I don't remember the name of it. You can find it in the tutorial, of course. All of my tutorials are made for beginners, so everyone can follow my tutorials, but I have written pattern on most of my projects. Just if you prefer a written pattern, I really want to make that for you too. Then for my shawls, I have made this one. This is 2 threads together. It's a mohair and another yarn I don't remember. You can find it in the tutorial. I leave all of the info in the tutorial, so you can also always find the materials and info about everything there. This is a triangle shawl worked in a mesh pattern. It's very nice, works up fast, very soft, easy to do. Then I made a wrap. This is actually quite funny. This is, I got the inspiration from one of my headbands. It's just a really huge headband. One of my popular headbands with the X twist on the forehead. I made this into a wrap and just wear it, and it's like a big hug. So it's really nice and warm and easy to work up. Just made it for fun, but it's actually working quite nicely. Then I made a poncho. This huge thing, you can see everything on the camera. I will leave a link for it and I will leave a picture on the screen so you can see the whole thing. This is just 4 granny squares sewn together, and then it is a poncho. Very easy to do. You can do it with all granny squares in the world. You just choose your favorite granny square, make 4, sew them together, and you have a poncho. Easy. Then this Bordeaux shawl here. This is my most recent shawl. I wanted to use up all of this yarn I had left. And then I made this really cute shawl and added a Picot edge to make the final touch on it. So it's not just a granny square shawl, it has a little touch of Picot edge on it. Really nice, really warm, works up fast. And then my white shawl. This, I actually want to go and say I think this is my prettiest shawl. I like this one the most. I really like the texture of the stitch it has these lumps, almost like the bubble stitch, you know, but not quite as bubbly. It's the double crochet and the single crochet put together in one stitch and then skip the next stitch. So it's actually quite easy to do. It's very simple stitches when it's just a single crochet and the double crochet, you know the stitches. So it's not that hard, but it's looking hard. So we love it when it's easy but looks hard to do. And then it has these really nice pocket. Then I chose these big brown buttons to make it really nice. But I don't know, maybe I think this is my favorite shawl, even though I saved this one for last, because I thought this was my favorite shawl. But then I saw the other one and then I can't decide. But this one, no, this is my favorite shawl. This is so, so beautiful. This is my first pocket shawl, and this shawl is what made me to do more shawls. I really, really liked working this shawl. It is just one big rectangular thing, and then I added some brims on the edges, so it has a really nice touch on it. And finally I made the pockets, and the pockets is very wide, so they go all the way to the edges. It's not just small pockets, so it's also for show, but also warm your fingers, not to keep so much many stuff in it. But yeah, it just looks nice. But that was all of my shawls and some sweaters. I really want to know what you think about my shawls and which one you prefer. Please leave a comment down below. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!